Hey guys, welcome back to another interesting video of How to Guide, and in this video I am going to show you how to know the Zoom meeting password. So without any further ado, let's dive right into this exciting video. In order to know the Zoom meeting password, you just simply have to go into your meeting at first, and after going into the meeting it will show something like this interface. Now knowing the password into here is very easy process. Now into here you just simply have to tap into this drop down menu besides the Zoom text. Click into there and you can see meeting ID, host name and the passcode. The passcode here is the password for the meeting. By following these very easy steps, you can easily see and know the Zoom meeting password that you are hosting. I hope this video was helpful for you. If yes, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to the channel to never miss another update. Thank you for watching the video.